Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy office makeup routine that will have you polished and ready in just 10 minutes. We know mornings can be super hectic, especially when you're trying to get ready for work. But don't worry, we've got you covered. This routine is all about enhancing your natural beauty and giving you a touch of confidence for the day ahead. And the best part? We're doing it all in claymation. So grab your makeup bag, and let's get started. Before we even think about makeup, we need to start with a clean and moisturized face. This is the foundation of any good makeup routine. Just like an artist wouldn't paint on a dirty or rough canvas, we shouldn't apply makeup on skin that hasn't been properly prepped. Clean skin not only helps makeup go on smoother but also ensures it lasts longer and looks more natural. This is like prepping a canvas before painting. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a canvas that's covered in dust and grime. The colors wouldn't be as vibrant and the texture would be all wrong. The same principle applies to our skin. By starting with a clean face, we're setting ourselves up for success. So go ahead and wash your face with a gentle cleanser. It's important to choose a cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have dry skin, look for a hydrating cleanser. If you have oily skin, a foaming cleanser might be more effective. The key is to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. I like to use one that's pH balanced and doesn't strip my skin of its natural oils. A pH balanced cleanser helps maintain the skin's natural barrier, which is crucial for keeping it healthy and hydrated. When your skin's pH is balanced, it's better able to protect itself from environmental stressors and bacteria. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, and then apply a lightweight moisturizer. Avoid rubbing your face with the towel, as this can cause irritation. Instead, gently pat it dry to avoid any unnecessary friction. Once your skin is dry, it's time to lock in that moisture with a good moisturizer. This will help plump up your skin and create a smooth surface for your makeup to glide on. A well-moisturized face not only feels better but also looks more radiant. The moisturizer acts as a barrier, preventing your skin from drying out and helping your makeup stay put throughout the day. I like to use a moisturizer with SPF for daytime, but you can use whatever works best for your skin type. SPF is crucial for protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, even on cloudy days. Sun damage can lead to premature aging, dark spots, and other skin issues, so it's always a good idea to incorporate SPF into your daily routine. Take your time and really massage it in, allowing it to fully absorb before moving on to the next step. Massaging your face not only helps the product penetrate deeper, but also stimulates blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Plus, it's a great way to relax and pamper yourself before starting your makeup routine. Remember, the better you prep your skin, the better your makeup will look and feel. Now let's create a flawless base. The key to any great makeup look is starting with a smooth, even canvas. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else. Whether you're going for a natural look or something more dramatic, a flawless base will make all the difference. For this look, we're going for a natural finish, so instead of a full coverage foundation, I'm going to use a lightweight BB cream. BB creams are perfect for those days when you want to look put together but not overly made up. They offer just enough coverage to even out your skin tone while still letting your natural beauty shine through. BB creams are amazing because they provide light coverage, hydration, and often have SPF protection. This means you're not only evening out your complexion but also taking care of your skin. The hydration aspect is particularly important because it keeps your skin looking fresh and dewy throughout the day, and let's not forget the SPF protection, which is essential for guarding against harmful UV rays. Plus, they're super easy to blend. The formula is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a makeup novice, you can achieve a seamless finish. The ease of blending also means you can apply it quickly, making it perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. Just dot a small amount onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, and then blend it out using your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. The key is to start with a small amount and build up if you need more coverage. This way, you avoid the risk of looking cakey. Remember, it's always easier to add more product than to take it away. I like to use my fingers because the warmth helps to melt the product into my skin. This technique allows for a more natural finish as the product blends seamlessly with your skin's texture. Plus, using your fingers gives you more control over the application, ensuring that you get an even distribution of the product. Make sure to blend it down your neck as well to avoid any harsh lines. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for a cohesive look. Blending down your neck ensures that your face and neck match, giving you a more polished appearance. It's these small details that make a big difference in achieving a flawless base. Once you've blended everything out, take a moment to check your work in the mirror. Look for any areas that might need a little extra blending or coverage. The goal is to have a smooth, even complexion that looks natural and radiant. And there you have it, a flawless base that will serve as the perfect foundation for the rest of your makeup look. Whether you're heading to work, a social event, or just running errands, this base will keep you looking fresh and put together all day long. Even if you didn't get a full 8 hours of sleep, we can fake it with a little bit of concealer. Concealer is like magic in a tube. It instantly brightens up your face and makes you look more awake. I like to apply it under my eyes in a triangular shape to brighten up any darkness and create a lifting effect. Then, I blend it out with a damp sponge for a seamless finish. You can also use concealer to cover any blemishes or redness. Just dot a small amount onto the area and blend it out gently. Remember, less is more. To give our face a healthy flush of color, we're going to apply a little bit of blush. Blush is a versatile makeup product that can instantly brighten your complexion and add a youthful glow. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of color or a more pronounced pop, blush can be tailored to suit your personal style and the occasion. Today we'll explore the different types of blushes, application techniques, and tips to ensure a flawless finish every time. Cream blushes are my go-to for a natural look because they melt into the skin and give a dewy finish. Unlike powder blushes, cream blushes blend seamlessly and are perfect for achieving that fresh, just-pinched look. They are especially great for dry or mature skin as they add moisture and don't settle into fine lines. To apply, simply dab a small amount onto your cheeks and blend with your fingers or a makeup sponge. The warmth of your fingers helps the product to meld with your skin, creating a seamless and natural appearance. Smile in the mirror to find the apples of your cheeks, and then apply a small amount of blush to the center of each cheek. This technique ensures that the blush is placed on the most prominent part of your cheeks, giving you a natural and youthful flush. Start with a light hand and build up the color gradually. It's always easier to add more product than to take it away. If you accidentally apply too much, you can tone it down by blending with a clean makeup sponge or a bit of foundation. Blend it upwards towards your temples using your fingers or a brush. This upward motion lifts the face and creates a more sculpted look. If you're using a brush, opt for one with soft, synthetic bristles that can easily diffuse the product. For a more diffused and airbrushed finish, you can also use a stippling brush. Remember, blending is key to achieving a natural look, so take your time to ensure there are no harsh lines. The key is to build the color gradually until you achieve your desired intensity. Start with a small amount of product and layer it until you reach the perfect shade. This method allows you to control the intensity and avoid over-applying. It's also a good idea to check your blush in different lighting to ensure it looks natural. Sometimes what looks perfect in your bathroom mirror might appear too harsh in natural light. So, take a moment to step outside or check in a different room to make sure your blush is just right. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades to find what flatters your skin tone. Blush comes in a variety of colors, from soft pinks and peaches to bold corals and berries. The right shade can enhance your natural beauty and complement your overall makeup look. If you're unsure which color to choose, consider your skin's undertone. Warm undertones look great with peachy or coral shades, while cool undertones are complemented by pink or berry hues. And remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so feel free to try new things and discover what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Finally, let's complete our look with a neutral lipstick or lip gloss. For the office, I like to keep it simple and chic. A nude lipstick with a hint of pink or peach is always a good choice. It adds a touch of polish without being too overwhelming. If you prefer a glossier finish, opt for a clear or tinted lip gloss. Apply it to the center of your lips and blend it outwards. And there you have it. A quick and easy office makeup routine that will have you looking polished and professional in just 10 minutes. And there you have it. A quick and easy office makeup routine that will have you looking polished and professional in just 10 minutes every time. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin, always. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you personally. And most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoy the process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.